Okay, so she's gonna drive my car today. Probably gonna drive it to the meet too, depending on how she does. Just cause, yeah. This isn't anything new for her. She dailies this WRX that has a way more aggressive clutch than my car, so should be fine. The only problem is my driver's seat doesn't adjust, so we'll probably have to stick a bunch of pillows and stuff like that.
My passenger seat is compared to the driver one. Jesus Christ.
Can I close the garage?
Oh yeah. Supposed to. This is so awkward. I feel like I'm in a damn baby seat or something.
Yeah.
So high up. This thing can actually move up and down and towards you and away from you if you want.
This?
Yeah, there's a lever right this. You can move it up and down.
It doesn't go up anymore.
No, it doesn't go up anymore.
But I think I prefer it closer.
Yeah, it's small and it's, I mean, overall this should feel different from your car.
Yes.
At least I don't. So it should be fine. They just slightly, it's a very different clutch comparing to your car, but it's really easy. Yeah, but it's like really easy though comparing to your car. That's my throw up bearing. And then you can turn the wheel as much as you want. It's not gonna rub or anything.
What was that?
I don't know. It's just the car makes a lot of noises because there's no sound editing or anything.
Blinker.
I mean, you don't have to use blinkers at the BMW, but
I have to.
you can start a lot more easily in second than you can in your car in this car. Like you can start in second if you're rolling a tiny bit comparing to your car. The blinkers sometimes don't shut off all the way. Yeah, that's why they're also annoying.
Need some damn sunglasses.
This car's so much louder over here. All I hear is from my right ear, the exhaust.
Yeah. Now you know how I feel. Everything with RPM is a little bit higher in this car because it revs out a lot more than a Subaru does for the most part. But yeah, you can start in second. And it's a very sensitive throttle too because it's
literally freaking Arizona in a nutshell. You can just park your horse in a parking spot. Yee dogger.
Alright, can I have a large Baja Blast Mountain Dew?
I'll take 2 number 5s. Or is it 2 number 9s? I'll have 2 number 9s.
The Grande Burrito Chicken Enchilada. And 4 of the 3 cheese. Oh my god, I don't like this.
You don't have to be as intense as you are. You can get pretty close. Since my wheels don't freaking stick out of the body, as you might know. Keep me in this car.
Sure.
Sure.
Thank you.
Not as dramatic as I thought it would be.
Thank you.
Ah, my glasses. We are off.
This is a different entrance.
Yeah, this is how we went in last time though. Because we made a lap. Yeah, because we made a lap. We went all the way down there. We made a what is it? A right there. A lot of people
I
here.
thought we turned right down that street, came around. Yeah, we did. Oh, maybe
We
not.
went down there. And then we made a
Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. So one more last thing to tell you guys, which I think will make everyone really happy, is the engine is coming out. Probably gonna start taking out the engine on Monday. Tomorrow I'm gonna get a cherry picker, toolbox, tools, jacks, stands, everything, blah, blah, blah. And we are gonna be taking the S54 out of this, and we are putting a V8, because I have a V8 lined up to go in this. What V8 we shall find out within a week or two, I suppose. But stay tuned for that, guys. Hopefully you guys are excited as I am. As always, be sure to subscribe if you already don't. As always, it's very supportive and everything. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next episode.